ChatGPT's new image library just dropped, and it's a game changer for your AI art. No more digging for those epic creations. Stick with GadInsider to see how it works. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. OpenAI just launched an image library for ChatGPT on April 15, 2025, making it super easy to manage your AI-generated visuals. Available for all users, free, plus, and pro on web and mobile. Let's dive into what it does and why you'll love it. The image library is a new sidebar tab in ChatGPT that stores all your AI-generated images in a clean grid. Announced by OpenAI on X, it's rolling out to free, plus, and pro users across iOS, Android, and web. Only images made with GPT-4o's image generator, not DALL-E, show up, but older images are being backfilled. Click the Library or Images tab to browse, edit, save, or share your creations. It's perfect for revisiting that Studio Ghibli art style or custom logos you made. Why is this a big deal? No more scrolling through chats to find your AI art. The library's grid lets you organize and refine images, like tweaking a prompt or editing specific parts. It's like a creator's dream for making memes, ads, or home designs. X users are obsessed, with some saying it's a step toward an Instagram rival, though others want search filters with 700 million images generated in a week. This feature is built for the AI art boom. Ready to dive in? Open ChatGPT on web or mobile, log in, and look for the Library tab in the sidebar. If it's not there, generate an image with GPT-4o, refresh, and it should appear. Edit or save images directly, but note, deleting a chat wipes its images from the library. Follow GadInsider for tips on crafting killer prompts and updates on new features like image search. This is just the start of ChatGPT's creative glow up. That's a scoop on ChatGPT's image library, GadInsider fam. Are you pumped to organize your AI art or want more features? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.